ॐ गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनं सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। Last week we did from 147. Let's repeat and revise them. क्षराक्षरात्मिका सर्वलोकेशी विश्वधारिणी त्रिवर्गदा त्रिसुभगा त्र्यम्बिका त्रिगुणात्मिका स्वर्गापवर्गदा शुद्धा जपा पुष्पनिभाकृतिः ओजोवती द्युतिधरा यज्ञरूपा प्रियव्रता. So we understood that Amma is the one who gives us that ojas, the energy to do anything. That is called ojas, which energizes our sapta dhatus, all the various channels in our body. And she likes yajnam, and she is the form of yajna, where we do offerings. It's not just physical offering to the sacred fire and doing homam rituals, but also when we do things for others, for the benefit of others, it is called yajna. So all that Amma likes, and she likes Priya Vrata, all the vratas we do, where we control, do some fasting, have some desire, sankalpa, and then do that vratas like Satyanarayana Samvratam, Varalakshmi Vratam, so many vratas are there. So all that Amma likes. Okay. And she is all that we see, all that gets destroyed, Kshara and Akshara, even the one which is permanent one. She is the Atmika, the self within us, who is the Sarva Lokeshi, the controller of whole world, the whole universe. She holds the whole universe, Vishwadharini. Okay, and she provides us all the auspiciousness, being the Trayambika. She is the Saraswati Devi, Lakshmi Devi, Kali Mata. Everything is her only. Now we'll have Navaratri next week. So we pray to that one energy who is manifested in all the three different forms. She is always in three forms. She is Trayambika, Trigunatmika. Okay, and we can connect to her through japa pushpa nibhakriti. When we keep chanting her names, when we connect to her, she manifests to us as the divine light. Japa pushpa nibhakriti. Yes, Omkar.
What does ojo mean, auntie?
Ojovati means ojas is that energy, that one divine energy which can energize all of us.
Does Ojavati have like any relationship in Vishnu Sahasranamam, like number 30, Ojas Teja Tidara, like you know that Ojas Teja, right? Is that related to this?
Yes.
Oh,
the
so
same
what,
ojas.
so same thing. Oh, okay.
So that's why we should understand and realize that though we chant different names like Vishnu Namas, Vishnu Sahasranamas and Lalita Sahasranamas. Both have the similar names. So the content is the same. There is only one God, one energy. And we just connect to different forms and get that energy. So we just give different names and forms, but the content is the same, one energy, which is in different forms, which energizes us. And that energy is called Ojas. Let's do the next new verses. Who would like to chant with me? Okay, Surya, let's do. We'll do the 149th verse.
Okay.
Duraradhya Duradarsha
Duradya, Duradya,
Dura Aradhya Duraradhya
Duraradya,
Duradarsha.
Duradarsha,
Again.
Duradarsha,
Duraradhya Duradarsha
Duraradya, Duradarsha,
Again.
Duraradya, Duradarsha,
Patali Kusuma Priya
Patali Kusuma Priya,
Again.
Patali Kusuma Priya,
Again we'll do Duraradhya Duradarsha
Duraradya, Duradarsha, Duraradya, Duradarsha,
Patali Kusuma Priya
Patali Kusuma Priya, Patali Kusuma Priya,
Mahati Meru Nilaya
Mahati Meru Nilaya, Mahati Meru Nilaya,
Mandara Kusuma Priya.
Mandara Kusuma Priya, Mandara Kusuma Priya.
So what this verses say is, praying to Amma, doing Aradhana to Amma, Araradhya is very difficult. So Dura means it is difficult, it seems. Right? Duraradhya and Duradarsha means fighting against her. Like all the Asuras fought with Amma. That is also very difficult because Amma is so powerful, right? So it is very difficult to fight with Amma. Also doing Aradhana and connecting to her Amma is very difficult. So what it means is it is difficult for the ones who are more into materialistic things, more involved in always enjoying pleasures, having comfortable sleep, having nice foods, watching movies, all these kinds. If we are busy, it is so difficult to connect with Amma, right? When will we have time to connect with Amma? Because we are busy with other things. So that is why it is said Duraradhya. It is difficult. But to the one who is more, who has removed all those sensual pleasures, materialistic things, slowly connecting to the divine, for them it is very easy. There is another verse in Lalita Sahasranamam which says it is very easy. Sukharadhya it comes. So it is very easy to connect to Amma. So both are there. So for those who are connected with the materialistic things and more sensual pleasures, for them it is difficult. And also fighting means having all the evil qualities. If we have evil qualities, then also it is very difficult to connect with Amma. Means to get out of them is so difficult. Okay. And then Amma likes Patali Kusuma Priya. Patali means it's red color. So Amma likes everything connected to Amma is redness, right? All that energy and all the love, compassion is all related to Amma. And she likes. So kusuma means flower. So partly the red colored flowers is liked by Amma. It's like the hibiscus flower, we say, right? Hibiscus. So that is partly kusuma priya. And then Amma is Mahati. Mahat means great. Maha we say, right? So Mahat means great. Amma is always great. So Mahati, Meru Nilaya. Meru is that Sri Chakram. That Meru Nilaya, and Amma is at the center of the Meru, right? So she is the Meru Nilaya. So this is Sri Chakram, and 3D form of Sri Chakram is the Meru. It's called Meru. And there Amma stays in the center of that Sri Chakram, which is the 3D structure called Meru. Yeah, so many pictures, and we need to look at where is Meru hidden. See, this is also called Mahati, the veena of which Narada carries. It is also Mahati, the name of that veena. So within us, the veena is our own spinal cord. Okay, and Amma stays on top, right? Meru Nilaya. So when we do sit and meditate, the posture we sit, so on the center of our head will be the Meru of in our body, where Amma is located. So where is that picture gone? So here is the Meru for us. So this is the Meru, and Amma is located on the top center. So Mahati, she is the greatest one, located on the Meru. Mahati Meru Nilaya Mandara Kusuma Priya. So Mandara is the flower. Usually in Telugu we say for hibiscus flower as Mandara flower, but actually the Mandara flower is the Jilledu Aku we say. The white colored flowers which we offer to Lord Ganesha. That is Mandara Kusuma. Can you see these pictures? You can see, right?
It looks like a starfish.
So these are the flowers which are called actually Mandara Kusuma Priya. Okay, so Amma likes these flowers. Okay, let's go back.
It's called star jasmine.
Yes, so it is
or
that.
downy jasmine.
Okay, good. So it is that star jasmine that Amma likes. And this is the Meru, right? 3D structure. So Mahati Meru Nilaya. So Amma is the greatest one who is located in the Sri Meru. This is the Meru. Meru Nilaya Mandara Kusuma Priya. And Amma likes that star jasmine flower. So Amma always likes flowers, right? Patali Kusuma Priya, Kadamba Kusuma Priya. What it represents? So a flower means always blossoming. It expands. Amma energy always expands. So there is that blossoming happening. So if we are ignorant, when we gain knowledge, it is like blossoming. We know it now. Earlier we didn't know. Now we know. So it is like one kind of happiness, right? When a flower blossoms from a bud, how happy we will feel, right? If we see a plant, a bud will be like this. And one day when it blossoms, we feel so happy. So that all these flowers represent that blossoming, expansion, and knowledge. Okay, we'll go to the next verses. Who would like to chant? Okay, Sitara, let's do. Veeraradhya.
Veeraradhya, Veeraradhya,
Virat Rupa.
Virat Rupa, Virat Rupa,
Veeraradhya Virat Rupa,
Veeraradhya Virat Rupa, Veeraradhya Virat Rupa,
Viraja Vishwato Mukhi.
Viraja Vishwatomukhi, Viraja Vishwatomukhi,
Good. Veeraradhya Virat Rupa,
Veeraradhya Virat Rupa, Veeraradhya Virat Rupa,
Viraja Vishwato Mukhi,
Viraja Vishwatomukhi, Viraja Vishwatomukhi,
perfect. Pratyagrupa,
Pratyagrupa, Pratyagrupa,
Parakasha,
Parakasha, Parakasha,
Pratyagrupa, Parakasha,
Pratyagrupa, Parakasha, Pratyagrupa, Parakasha,
Pranada, Pranarupini,
Pranada, Pranarupini, Pranada, Pranarupini,
Pratyagrupa, Parakasha,
Pratyagrupa, Parakasha, Pratyagrupa, Parakasha,
Pranada, Pranarupini.
Pranada, Pranarupini, Pranada, Pranarupini.
Good. So, what is these verses say? Veeraradhya. So, Amma is worshipped by Veeras, like warriors, like Veeras. They are courageous people. Who have courage? So, Veeras are the ones who are called Veeras. Yes, Sri Harsha. Yes, Sri Harsha or Praharsha, who?
Veera means
Veera means what?
Veena.
Huh?
I thought it was Veena because it sounds like Veena.
No, I'm not understanding, Nana. Be clear, please. Say again.
The word is Veera, so it's like Veena.
Veena. No. It's not Veena. It is Veera. You want to say Omkar? You had raised.
Veera means like strength or something.
Yes, strength. How about
Veera.
How about Sitara? What were you saying?
I was going to say bravery.
Bravery, yes. So all that bravery, strength, courage is Veera. So here, Vashinyadi Vagdevadas, they are saying Amma is worshipped by all people who have strength, courage, bravery. So it's not just physical bravery, but Veera means the one who has control on our sense organs. See, only when we leave all those sensual perceptions, we can do worship of Amma, right? We saw that earlier. How Duraradhya it is if we are sensually oriented. So, the one who has control on their senses are the real Veeras. So, by those people, Amma can be worshipped easily. So, Veeraradhya, Virat Rupa. Virat means huge. Amma is huge, right? The whole universe is Amma. So Virat Rupa, her form is very huge and big. And Viraja Vishwatomukhi. Viraja means, Raja means having all little bad qualities. Like we all have good and bad. Sometimes we behave very nicely. Sometimes we will be angry, jealous, all those evilness we will have. So Amma doesn't have all those Rajas qualities, all the dusty particles. Raja means all the dust. So Viraja means Amma doesn't have that. It also means opposite. Rajas also means the radiance and shiny particles like stars, planets, all those shiny particles. So V here means all that is not dust, also all that is really special, that special light particles. V means here it comes like Visesham, means special. So all that radiance, all the universe we see is also Amma, right? So all that is bad and good, both are Amma always, good and bad. So she is Viraja and Vishwatomukhi, means Amma has face throughout. She can see the whole world. We can see only the one which is in front of us, or we can turn and see sides because we have only one face and we can see only one direction. But Amma can see all sides. She has faces all around and she can view the whole Vishwa, whole world. So nothing can be hidden from her. Then Pratyagrupa, Parakasha. Pratyagrupa means when we turn inward, like how Nandi will be sitting, it is always towards Lord Shiva. So when we turn ourselves towards the divine, that is called Pratyagrupa. When we go towards sense organs and materialistic world, it is not Pratyak. Pratyak means turning inward. So it is Pratyagrupa, Parakasha. So Amma is Pratyagrupa. She is the form of Pratyagrupa and also Para Akasha. So Akasha is, what is Akasha? Yeah, Surya? Akasha is? Space, yes. You have to come closer and speak. Huh? It was not clear actually. So it is space, correct. So, but whatever space we see, it is just Akasha. But Amma is Para Akasha. So she is even greater than this Akasha. See, in this Akasha, everything is there. All the things are there. All the planets, everything is in the space. But the space itself is in Amma, which is the Para Akasha. So the whole space itself is present in the Parakasha, which is greater than Akasha. Okay. So Pratyagrupa, Parakasha, Pranada, Pranarupini. So Amma is the form of Prana. The Prana Shakti that is going on within us. She is the form of that Prana and she gives us that life force. Da means always giving. So Amma gives us that life force. Just like how sun activates and makes everything alive as the morning rises, we all become active. Like that, Amma gives that energy to us in the form of this Prana Shakti and activates the whole universe. So Pratyagrupa, Parakasha, Pranada, Pranarupini. Clear? Okay, let's repeat the verses we learned. Duraradhya
Duraradhya Patali Kusumapriha Mahati Meru Nilaya
Mandara
Viraradhya Viratrupa Viraja Vishwatomukhi Pratyagrupa Parakasha Pranada Pranarupini.
Okay, perfect. Okay, let's chant individually. Who would like to chant?
Oh, I didn't even notice I was unmuted, Auntie. I'm sorry.
Okay. That's okay, Nana. You did it perfectly. Okay, Sri Harsha, Praharsha, you both chant first. Individually.
Duraradhya Duradharsha Patali Kusuma Priya Mahati Meru Nilaya Mandara Kusuma Priya Viraradhya Viradhi Vyadrupa
Viradrupa. The T becomes D sound.
Viradrupa Viraja Vishwatomukhi Pratyagrupa Prakasha Pranada Pranarupini.
Good.
Duraradhya Duradarsha Patali Kusumapriya Mati Meru Nilaya Mandara Kusumapriya Viraradhya Viradrupa
Virat
Rupa
Rupa. Virat Rupa.
Virja Vishwatomukhi Pratyagrupa Parakasha Pranada Pranarupini.
And it is Mandara. Okay. Mandara Kusmapriya. Okay. Next. Okay, Surya.
पुराराध्या धुराधर्षा पाटली कुसुमप्रिया महती मेरुनिलया मन्दारा कुसुमप्रिया वीराराध्या विरारूपा विरजा विश्वतोमुखी प्रत्यग्रूपा पराकाशा प्राणदा प्राणरूपिणी.
Very nice. Good. Next. Sitara.
Okay. Duraradhya Duradarsha Patali Kusuma Priya Mahati Meru Nilaya Mandara Kusuma Priya Viraradhya Viradrupa Viraja Vishwatomukhi Pratyagrupa Parakasha Pranada Pranarupini.
Very nice. It is Mandara Kusumapriya. It is combined, okay? There is hyphen, right? So we should not say Mandara Kusumapriya. Mandara Kusumapriya. Like that it should be.
Okay.
Okay. Done? Okay, Omkar.
Auntie, you know how I said that, what do you call it? That, what you're saying that Ganesha flower, right? It's not star jasmine. I was wrong. It's called Calotropis.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah. Star jasmine is
Yes. It is Calotropis.
Kundumu.
Yes.
Star jasmine is Kundumu.
Okay. Yes. It is Calotropis. Correct. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, you want to chant?
Yeah, Auntie? Okay. Ma. Duraradhya Duradarsha Patali Kusuma Priya Mahati Meru Nilaya Mandara Kusuma Priya Viraradhya Viradrupa Viraja Vishwatomukhi Pratyagrupa Parakasha Pranada Pranarupini.
Perfect. Okay, let us do our final shlokas. अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करः प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके देवि नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्.
Thank you, Auntie. Have a good weekend.